Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. As you can see, we are going to be starting this one, and I will be starting up here in this right hand corner, and the color that I'm using is 906, I believe. Let me look one more time. Yes, 906. So I'm going to set that over there. It's kind of curly. It's kind of almost a neon green that we're using. So, yep. And I have my little fancy girl here to hold the needle. And we will see. Oh, of course. I thought I moved far enough away from that. That didn't work, did it? Oh, geez. Some days. Yeah, Sunday already. I don't know what happened to 4 days. But, yeah. Just seems like it was Thursday, you know, a second ago. Oh. And as I mentioned, I did mail back one of the things that I got back, or got from AliExpress, so yesterday morning was consumed with trying to get that taken care of before the post office closed at noon. Oh yeah, I was here, I was there, I was here, I was there. Even had to go to the dollar store. I was in there 5 minutes. I don't know, it was amazing because usually I spend a good amount of time. Let me pull you down. I'm so sorry. Some days. Oh, goodness gracious. So yesterday I worked on, what is it called? Houses and Mountains. And I also worked on those colorful peonies for a little bit. Sat in my chair for a hot moment. And just stitched. So after I got all the rest of that stuff done, I was just ready to sit down and do nothing. I had leftover kung pao chicken. I keep doing that. Kung pao pork for dinner that I made. So that was yummy. It's always better the day after. So I had that and just watched Netflix, a little bit of YouTube. So let me see if I can fold this way. Maybe it'll stay. When I first started it, it didn't act like it wanted to stay folded. Take up a little bit less room on my desk. Yeah, work tomorrow, yay. It should be a little bit busy, but not too horribly busy. Busy only in the sense that our kids are now on spring break. So there'll be a few more kids milling around. So we'll see how busy it gets, but it's usually not too bad. I guess they have a week off. I have no idea when all that, if it just, you know, started when they got off school on Friday or not. I did see my daughter at the grocery store, and she had my granddaughter in tow, but I forgot to even ask about the spring break. I didn't think about it until just a few seconds ago. So we'll see. We, our store is like right, let's call it in front, in back of the trailer park that's right out there. So, we have a lot of kids that walk over, and this happens usually in the summer. So, we'll see how busy they are. And it'll depend on the weather. Okay, what was it? Friday. I looked at the weather, and it was supposed to be in the 50s and 60s all this week. Then I get up yesterday morning, and it was snowing, and said that there was going to be rain for the next 3 or 4 hours beyond that. I'm like, okay. So I went and did all that running around, and by the time I got back, the mountains were starting to clear up. The sun came out, and I don't think it did another thing all day. So, yeah, it'll be, what it is. I'm not sure what it's going to do. But it would be nice if it was in the 50s and 60s. So we'll see. We will see. Anybody go any place fantastic this weekend? Going any little side trips, or are you on vacation? One never knows. We used to like to do things like from the time the kids got out of school until, we'd gone for the full Saturday and full Sunday. We'd just leave and go, let's say, go camping or whatever, and have just a quick little weekendy type trip. We're not doing those things. Gosh, that is a bright, bright green, ain't it? I have no idea what shade the next green's going to be in. There's a couple symbols there. I'm not sure what all that is. It'll tell me, but I can't see. So there's 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, possibly 5 symbols there. So it'll be interesting to see what shades of green they put in there. And I'm not sure if any of those beads turn into flowers, or I don't know, we're just playing it by ear. I didn't look at the the paper pattern too much. I usually don't. Sometimes I do. Especially those great big ones when I'm trying to figure out what the color is. Especially, what is it, Watertown Memory? Oh my gosh. It's like, pick a color, get 2 of them, 2 full 6-strand things, and just work on that. That way you don't have to keep looking up what color it is. Now that Houses and Mountains is not like that at all. Like I said, things in it kind of runs like a river, so you just do one section, and I just run the thread out. I did actually put 1/2 of thread back because I didn't need it, but because there wasn't anything, in the general vicinity. But if there is, I just try to run it all out. But that other one, oh my gosh, yeah, just get 2 full strands, separate it all, get ready, and just stitch that symbol. I've never seen such a kit. It's a little difficult, But now where I'm stitching on it, it's not difficult to see the symbols. It's just they're just strung out within all those buildings and excess stuff. So, yeah. It is what it is. So you just pick and choose your battles. That's why I'm stitching on the houses and the mountains, because it's easy stitching. Not big areas, not big, huge areas where you have to be on one color for too long. I got to be in the right frame of mind to do Watertown Memory. So, that's how that happens. So yeah, I'll be excited to see what colors go in here. I just think it's a beautiful kit. Actually, I was going to start over, let me go this way, in these flowers, but I thought, nah, let's just start at the top. And I mean, it's not hard stitching, so we'll see. Canvas is nice. I'm thrilled about that too. It's really kind of lightweight and it crunches down. It doesn't stay super stiff all the time. So we'll see. Might be able to get at least 2 colors, if not 3 in here. If I stitch on this today. So we'll see. We will just have to wait. I'll have to go and drop my birthday present off for my granddaughter this week on Tuesday, I think. My daughter said they were going to go bowling, because I'm guessing the kids are out of school. Go bowling, and they had an appointment, you know, at 1 o'clock. So that was something they could all do, and she felt like she just didn't want to have a big old hoopty for somebody's birthday, and they were just playing it small. So that was okay with my granddaughter. She likes to go bowling. Oh, my grandson does too, I guess. I don't know if he's outgrown all that or not, so we'll see. But it's a nice little alley. It's nothing too big, kind of family owned. So it gives them all some place to go. And of course, on Tuesday, I've got to work. So we'll see. And she requested carrot cake for her birthday. Go figure. That's kind of odd. I don't know, I was always into the chocolate cake with chocolate icing. That was my favorite at the time. Now I eat all kinds of different kinds of cake. My mother used to make a Texas cake. You made it in a jelly roll pan, and it had this yummy cocoa, cocoa and pecans in it. Ugh. And you put it on there warm on the cake. Oh, it was to die for. Yeah, I don't know what happened to that recipe. I should call my sister and ask her where it's at. But I haven't made that cake in years. Alright guys, let me get this where it will go anywhere, and then we'll flip it around, and I'll fold it up. That'll work. Oh, and bring it down so you can see what's going on. So, yep, it just kind of comes, I think it's a willow tree. I think that's what I decided. Yeah, just lovely. I love that green. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye bye. Keep stitching.